job because you don't think they're actors. You see them as their character, you know, like you take them as real people, like the characters. And it's beautiful because the stories are so real, you know. OFWs and the fact that they, you know, the life that they go through. It's such a cool story.
Without spoiling the film, how did you find it?
Oh my God, so isa pa nag-enjoy din ako sa mga fans. Super supportive sila sa mga talagang content. Kasi talagang nakakakilig naman kasi talaga. Pati ako, comic din. Naghahampasan kami dun sa so super kinilig.
Yeah. You have to watch it, guys.
Invite na lang everyone to watch
Hey, what's up?
Hi guys, good evening. Nanonood kayo lang ng first of Barcelona.
I love it.
Super nakakakilig siya.
Yeah, it's a very beautiful film. Just watch it, guys.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, do you remember?
Okay. Rolling tayo. Okay, how was the movie?
It was excellent. So totoo, really very amazing.
Maganda po. You know, it's been 8 years since the movies and still enjoy.
How about the actors of Mila and Eddie? How did Kathleen and then your first
Yeah, it was really good and they really fit in the character. It was kind of natural.
It's just, I've never seen acting myself before. Really, it was amazing.
What were the emotions you felt while watching the movie?
Lungkot po. Masaya po. Lahat.
Yeah, same. All emotions.
Why is Barcelona, Alaman, the biggest cinema effect of this year?
Because it has everything maybe that should have.
It's had a lot of work put into it.
Why should everyone watch Barcelona?
Because it will make you kilig, it will make you sad, it will make you feel everything that you haven't felt before.
There's been a lot of work put into the movie and I'm sure you get something more than you expect.
Let's invite everyone to watch Barcelona Alaman, now showing in cinemas worldwide. Yeah.
Hey guys, we are Barcelona and we'd like to invite you to watch
Barcelona in all cinemas worldwide.
I'm speechless. Honestly, it's first time ko lang po makita yung Katniel in that side. So, I'm very speechless po na makita ko yun.
Sa alam mo gusto ng Katniel na nagawa, grabe ito yung pinamaganda sa so far. Sobrang nabigla ako. Hindi ko in-expect talaga lahat yung napunta mo sa movie. And nag-level up sila. So, ang taas ng ni-level up nila.
Kamusta yung portrayal nila sa mga characters nila? At saka yung, yun nga, sabi mo nag-level up. Gano'n sila nag-level up?
Galing nila. Para ma-portray nila yung characters nila. Parang ang daming practices, ang daming rehearsals, ang daming kanilang kailangan gawin para magawa yung role nila. Pero for Daniel and Catherine, grabe sila. Nagawa talaga nila ng tapang-tapang. It's perfect.
Sobrang perfect po ng portrayal nila sa mga roles nila. Wala pa akong ma-imagine na ibang pwedeng portray ng mga roles nila. And super talagang nag-mature, nag-level up na talaga sila. First time ko lang po talaga sila nakitang gano'n.
Sa pelikula or sa characters, saan tayo nakarelate man tayo? Bakit tayo nakarelate?
Siguro po yung love nila para sa family nila. Doon po ako talaga nakarelate.
Bakit?
Yung parang they would do everything for their family. Very nice.
Ganun na rin sa akin. Family. Lalo na malayong dad ko sa akin. And, so yeah. Yun nga. Pagmamahal na lang din sa pamilya.
Without spoiling the film, kamusta yung ending?
Wow. Yun na yun. Yun na yung isa. Wow. So, yun yung pinakamasabi ko, wow talaga. Napangabang siya.
Have to watch it talaga.
Ayun, bakit kailangang panoorin ng mga kapamilya natin worldwide itong Barcelona Alaman?
Well, everyone has to watch this film kasi ang dami pong lessons po na matututunan nila sa film and talagang you will see Katniel in a different image, in a different way.
Matutuwa kung paano mo mamahalin yung trabaho mo, mamahalin yung mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo, kung paano mo sila papasukin sa buhay mo. And it's Daniel and Catherine. Why? Dapat natin talaga silang panoorin.
Ayan, invite na lang natin everyone to watch Barcelona Alaban now show. Barcelona Alaban now show. Cinemas worldwide.
Barcelona, I love it. Sorry.
Barcelona Alaban now showing worldwide. Okay.
Guys, wag niyong kakalimutan mo na Barcelona, I love Anto.
Yes po, showing na to po in cinemas nationwide. Please do not miss this film.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.